Scottails. Oh.
Hi everybody and welcome to Scottails. My name is Scott Hostetler and today we're going to go back to the motherland. Now you've heard of the White Russian and the Black Russian. What about the Blue Russian? And no, that's not just a guy swimming naked in Siberia. This is a wonderful little cocktail that involves vodka and blue curacao and cream. The orange flavored curacao and the cream makes this kind of like a dreamsicle. And so we're going to love that. What do you call a gassy Russian? Vladimir Putin. Highbrow humor. Let's go ahead. We take our martini glass with 3 or 4 ice cubes in it, and then we pour in our blue curacao. The blue curacao is 48 proof, so it's got a little punch to it, but it's not, not crazy involved there. Now, this is going to be a layered cocktail because as we add things, we pour it slowly, and then the layers will meld together at the end, and you drink through it. Oh, it's lovely. Anyway, also, a friend of mine from Russia says, I can describe Russian history in 5 words. I said, yeah? He said, and then things got worse. Next, we're going to put in vodka. This is 80 proof vodka, and we pour it in slowly just to make it go over the blue curacao. Am I blue? And 2 ounces. 2 ounces of blue curacao, 2 ounces of vodka. Then 1 ounce poured slowly of the cream. Slow. Should be light cream, and it should just kind of pool around the top. Nice. Nicely done. 1 ounce of cream. There you go. And we are ready to taste. But Yakov Smirnoff is a comedian from Russia. He was big in the 80s and 90s, kind of a cold era comedian. He says, I love being in America. You have so many things we had never had in Russia, like warning shots. Shall we try the Blue Russian?
Yes!
Oh, that is a dessert in itself. You're really going to enjoy that. Now, I was setting up my Russian computer, and I was trying to get the password in there of beef stew. And the error message kept coming back saying, password not Stroganoff. All right. You think this is easy coming up? You come up with some Russian jokes. And anyway, you know what I always say at the end is drink up, because it's almost closing time somewhere.